today I'm going to be guiding you through a body scan for beginners. So today, all you need is yourself and a comfortable place to sit or lie down, preferably free of distractions. Let's go ahead and get started. So lie down or sit, whatever is best for you. Enjoy. Make sure you're comfortable, either sitting up tall with a nice, long, straight spine, or lying down flat and find stillness in the body. Eyes are closed. Allow the body to feel heavy, the limbs to fully relax. You're not holding or gripping anywhere or feeling tight, nice and loose. The face, jaw, and neck should be relaxed. Shoulders melting away down from the ears. Inhale deeply through the nose, starting in the lower belly, nice and slow, filling all the way up to the space between the collarbones. When you're completely full, open the mouth and audibly let it go. Come back to normal breathing in and out of the nose. Starting at the top of the head, begin to slowly scan the body all the way down to the toes. Ask yourself, how does my physical body feel today? Tight, sore, relaxed, comfortable? Where am I emotionally today? Stressed, sad, depressed, happy, calm, relaxed? Listen for a moment to the messages your body is sending you. Taking time to check in with yourself so you have more information about what you need to go back into your day in a way that is safe and healthy for you, both physically and mentally. To come out of this, take one more healthy inhale through the nose, and when you're completely full, open the mouth and audibly let it go. Come back to normal breathing in and out of the nose. Bring some small movements back into the fingers and toes, wiggle them around, and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.